Will museums be replaced by technology some days? Museum offers a unique experience that allows us to connect with the past in a way that is not possible with technology. Museums and art galleries will not be replaced by anything else, like in relating to the technology, because they're offering something different for our culture and economy. The facility offers physical space where we can see and interact with objects that have historical or cultural significance. For example, world-renowned museum in Ho Chi Minh City help to study, collect, converse, and display in exhibit on war crimes and consequences inflicted on Vietnamese people by foreign aggressive force. This is an experience that cannot be replicated throughout the technology. Museums also play an important role in our economy. They create jobs and generate revenues for local businesses. According to war-renowned museums in Ho Chi Minh City, it serves nearly 1 million domestic and international visitors per year. That encourages the tourists and visitors to spend money on hotel, restaurant, and other local businesses.